Hangzhou Huaxing Industry is a professional screw and fastener supplier with wholly owned manufacturing plants and multiple years of export business experience. Founded 25 years ago, Huaxing has a 25,000 square meter major manufacturing base with more than 300 employees. The current annual manufacturing capacity has reached more than 10,000 metric tons. Huaxing has become one of the top-tier screw and fastener manufacturers in China. With respect to production capacity, product quality and fastener technology, Huaxing plants have a complete series of equipment, manufacturing fasteners and fastener-related accessories, including 100 cold forming machines, 100 thread milling cutters and 100 drill point makers, as well as equipment and workshops for heat treatment, surface hardening, powder coating, nylon head forming and washer production. Huaxing has a full set of screw inspection equipment and the competence of quality assurance, which assures the product quality to be invariably excellent.